A fireplace is one of the asked-for features during a house selection process. A warm and sympathetic atmosphere is often attributed to fire peacefully crackling in a room. The key advantages of a fireplace remodel include: makeover. Redesigning a fireplace changes the entire room's feel and appearance. If you just got bored with the classic look and wish to shift to a more contemporary design to match the interior, discuss available options and your ideas with a contractor. The heating efficiency upgrade. Over time, the heating capacity of a fireplace can decline for several reasons, so fireplace renovation can increase the heating capacity. For instance, pros can install a fireplace door to boost the output. Customization. If you love the fireplace but you're not fully satisfied with its performance or wish to add extra functionality, fireplace remodeling can upscale not only the appearance but also functionality, including easier maintenance and cleaning, the location of a fire basket. Safety. Regular maintenance is the key to safety. However, when you decide on redesigning the old fireplace, pros will clean and check the performance of the venting system and make sure the new design contributes to the safety of your fireplace. Fireplace at home. Pros and cons. A fireplace is a desirable amenity despite continuous technological progress. A classic wood crackling place provides warmth and peace of mind. Yet still, tech evolution influenced the world and now homeowners can install a fireplace with no need to supply wood. Gas and electrical options are pretty popular nowadays. Wood fireplaces. Gas fireplaces. Electric fireplaces. Whatever variety you install, you still deal with fire. Hence, you must pay particular attention to safety precautions to avoid unwanted consequences. Installing a fireplace, is it a right decision? Fireplaces have never been out of fashion, but they do gain more and more attention in recent years as people try to get closer to nature and look for energy-saving home solutions. A fireplace offers it all. It heats a house and gently takes you out of the stressful daily routine, providing a chance to observe flames from the comfort of your home. Still in doubt? 3 main arguments in favor of having a fireplace. A fireplace upvalues a house. A properly installed and maintained fireplace helps to save on energy and adds an invaluable cozy ambience. Fireplaces improve house heating efficiency. There are 3 kinds of fireplaces. Feel free to choose a gas, electrical, or authentic wood fireplace. Every type has its own pros and cons described above, so you can always select the one that matches your requirements. How much does fireplace remodeling cost? Actual expenses of the fireplace renovation depend on the scope of work and the quality of supplies, with the common range varying from $400 to $2,000. The fireplace refacing cost starts from $200 for repainting. Yet still, the national average for renovating a fireplace is around $1,200 and includes a more comprehensive overhaul. For a more personalized estimation of an old fireplace remodel, request a free quote from Groisman Construction today. The winner of the Best of House Award for 5 years in a row, the team is recognized for its custom-tailored solutions and individual approach to every client.